one chance. You will never regret the things that we'll do. 'Cause I wanna drive through the summer night. And when we are old and gray, we'll look back at this summer night. This summer night, this summer night. Sleeping in the back of a van, roaming in the wilderness. We'll never need a plan. We'll be alright, just you and I, singing from the top of our lungs.
Hey everyone, welcome to the Cypher Circus. My name is Megan. Hello if you are new. Today I'm going to bring you some car cleaning motivation, and I'm really excited because this video is actually a collaboration with Courtney over from the Bryles Bunch. So we wanted to bring you guys some just extreme car cleaning motivation today. Both of our cars really needed help. Mine specifically hasn't been cleaned out all summer, which I'm a little bit embarrassed to admit to you all, but it needs help. It's pretty bad. And so we want to get you guys motivated and take you on this journey of cleaning out these mom mobiles. Let's get started. And if you're not already subscribed to Courtney's channel, I would love for you to go over, say hello, check her channel out. I'll leave all of the information in the description box below. But she's a super fun, kind mama of 2 little boys, and I have absolutely loved getting to know her. Okay, so before I get started, I wanted to show you guys what I bring out whenever I do clean my car. Granted, I don't clean my car as often as I should, but I do at least have a system in place for when I do clean it. So I bring out a gray bin. You guys who have watched some previous videos know that I really love my gray bins, but I bring out a gray bin to help bring in anything that has been left in the car that needs to come into the house. That way I don't have to make a million trips. Then I bring out some paper towels, glass cleaner, all-purpose cleaner, and I bring my vacuum and a couple of attachments, and then a little garbage bag. So this is what I use to get my car under control. Let's get started.
I would be up waiting for you if you had to leave. I would wait a lifetime if you were at sea. I just wanna say that I feel that our love is real. Maybe we should hurry up and seal the deal. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. I would give it all away to do it all again. Make our love a story that would never end. Never thought I'd feel so alive, looking in your eyes. I just wanna love you till the day I die. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. Oh, oh, love you till the end of time. I just wanna hold you for forever. Every day you're making me better. 'Cause a love like this is rare, and I wanna take you there. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. If I'm gonna love somebody, I just wanna love you. Oh, oh, I just wanna love you right. there. It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight. I get nervous when we get closer. You feel it taking over you, and then you leave me speechless. The cars are getting I told you to dance in the blizzard. So keep on dancing when you are under the weather. So keep on dancing. Don't break my heart. Do you remember? Don't break my heart. So keep on dancing. Don't break my heart. It was something in the air tonight. It was something in the air tonight. I get nervous when we get closer. You feel it taking over you, and then you leave me speechless. The cars are getting over you. I told you to dance in the blizzard. So keep on dancing when you are under the weather. So keep on dancing. Don't break my heart. Do you remember? Don't break my heart. So keep on dancing. Don't break my heart.
This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. Listen to the midnight radio. Listen to the midnight radio. We can drive through the night, sing along to the midnight radio. Don't wanna wait all my life, can't remain, no delay, gotta let it go. A gentle breeze, the night's got a fever. To the moon and back, playing loud in the speakers. You and me, can I marry you right away? Oh, yeah.
Okay, so now the mirror has been cleaned. There's no more cream cheese on there. And I've cleaned the center console. Don't mind all the bugs. Remember, I'm in Minnesota. So that's clean. And now I'm gonna get all of the floor mats out of here before I continue tackling some of the stains. So here we go. Okay, so it's really hot here today, and like humid and muggy, but I've gotten a lot done. My vacuum just died, so I'm gonna take a break from vacuuming, and I'm gonna finish like doing all of the windows and the windshield, and then I'm gonna try to get out some of the stains on the seats. And my trick with that is I actually use baby wipes. It's worked pretty well in the past, so I'm gonna give it a try again. Sorry, I'm like shooing away flies, but I'm gonna get all that done while my vacuum charges, and then I'll finish vacuuming and wrap it up. Alrighty, now that I've scared the bees away, at least for a minute, I am gonna show you guys what I was talking about the baby wipes. So, got a couple here. So, I don't think it matters which ones you use, but I use the Pampers Sensitive, and I have had really good luck with them taking out stains. This right here is a smoothie stain from a Costco fly. This is a smoothie stain from a Costco smoothie, and it's taking it out really well. So I'm just gonna treat some of these stains in here with some baby wipes and then continue cleaning, like I said, as long as the bees go away. Or wasps. I don't have an issue with bees. I really just don't like wasps, you guys. Okay, so just want to be able to show you guys I did get off the stains with the baby wipes. See, the smoothie stain is gone too. So now just have a few more things to do, and this car is looking so much better. Love it. Alright, so next I'm just going to spray down my mats, my floor mats, with some all-purpose cleaner, and I'm going to give them a really good wipe. This also helps with odor. I just really like the way this Method all-purpose cleaner smells. It's the lime and sea salt. So we're gonna let that sit for a second, give them a good scrub with my scrub brush, and then get them back in the car. Thought it would be funny to show you guys all the stuff I found in the car. So obviously I've got the cleansers and stuff, a huge bag of things that I had forgotten in my mom's house that she dropped off, mail, and a map that's been in there for who only knows how long, 2 dog harnesses, and 3 loose socks. And then you saw me throw away like the history of like just gross garbage. So yeah, a few more things down there, but yeah, not as many things coming back into the house as I expected, so that's good.
I lose my breath whenever I see you. You stole my heart, what is it that you do? My life was great till you added colors. Like the moon needs the sun, we don't care about the others. You set my world on fire. You're my heart's desire. I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, just wanna be with you till we grow old. Please tell me you'll stay or take me away. I want you for myself every single day. You set my world on
The car is all clean. I did the windows, the windshield, I dusted, I vacuumed. I of course got out a million things that don't belong in here and had some trash too. Right, so much better. I'm not putting back in my son's car seat because we are going out to dinner tomorrow night and we're going to take my husband's car. And we only have one car seat, we just move it back and forth. Those little spots you see are actually flies that flew into the car, but it is all clean. It's not perfect, but it is way better. So I hope this gives you guys some amazing cleaning motivation. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to go head over to Courtney's channel and say hello. Bye. See you soon.
Single day, you set my world on fire.